Schrödinger's cat. When science breaks common sense. What if I told you there is a cat that is alive and dead at the same time? Sounds impossible, right? But this strange idea comes straight from quantum physics and it's known as Schrödinger's cat. Erwin Schrödinger was an Austrian physicist and one of the founders of quantum mechanics. In 1935, he proposed a thought experiment not to prove quantum theory correct but to show how absurd it sounds when applied to everyday objects. Imagine this. A cat is placed inside a sealed box. Inside the box is a radioactive atom, a Geiger counter, a hammer, a vial of poison. If the radioactive atom decays, the Geiger counter detects it, the hammer breaks the vial, and the poison kills the cat. If the atom does not decay, the cat stays alive. Here's the twist. According to quantum mechanics, before we open the box, the atom is both decayed and not decayed. So logically, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. In quantum physics, particles exist in a state called superposition, meaning they can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This works well for tiny particles like electrons. But Schrödinger asked, if this rule is true, why don't we see cats, humans, or planets in superposition? That's the measurement problem of quantum mechanics. No real cat was harmed. Schrödinger never meant this to be a real experiment. The cat represents the absurdity of applying quantum rules directly to the macroscopic world. The key idea is observation matters. The act of observing collapses the wave function, forcing the system to choose one reality. Physicists still debate this today. Copenhagen interpretation, reality becomes real only when observed. Many-Worlds interpretation, the cat is alive in one universe and dead in another. Decoherence theory, interaction with the environment forces a single outcome. This thought experiment helps us understand why quantum physics feels counterintuitive, the limits of human logic, the role of observation and reality, the foundations of quantum computing and modern physics. Schrödinger's cat reminds us of one powerful truth. At the quantum level, reality doesn't behave the way we expect, and sometimes science is stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed this explanation, like the video, subscribe to Knowledge Suitcase, and tell me in the comments, do you think reality exists without observation?